Hi, my name is Brendan Hall, and I'm the Clinical Director of the Queer Couples Center. And today I want to share with you about how working with a queer therapist could support you today. As lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, or queer individuals, it has and is still for many not safe to love and live publicly as ourselves. Growing up, we often learn how to hide and take on false identities. Many of us suffer from the shame and anxiety of the constant pressure and hatred and rejection we experience. Not to mention the shitty or non-existent sex education, relationship mentoring from our parents, or the rite of passage of coming out, which is not honored. In therapy, we get a chance to become more authentic, explore ourselves, and get the guidance we needed in our youth. Many of us who identify as LGBTQ seek out therapists who we believe will understand our identity, our spirit, our diverse communities. It's crucial that therapists are queer affirmative and that they have the education and attunement to help us work through our own internalized depression, homophobia, or transphobia. Queer therapists often get us at the most intimate of levels, and they understand our feelings and needs. They are also connected to community resources, from organizations to groups to events and holidays. So whether coming out or working through shame, traumas, improving relationships, there's a therapist out there that could be a fabulous fit and help you get to a better place in your life. If you or someone you know needs to be connected to a queer therapist, please visit queercouplecenter.com. We'd love to meet you in person or by video.